Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping the holiday deals here at the Harbor Freights. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Next we're to review videos. That's the way YouTubers platform by subscribing and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Yeah, these are the holidays 2021 from Harbor Freight. We got a few good deals here. Got $24.99, 21 piece hex titanium drill bit set. So this is very comparable to the name brands out there. $89.99 20-volt lithium half-inch impact wrench. They did not have any of these in stock. This is pretty good price if you're already on the line. $49.99 for the 5-tier storage rack. Regular price $59. And you guys do see it's Yukon 5-tier storage. So it's pretty nice if you guys got sheds and stuff like that. 16 inches between shelves, 6 feet tall. They got plenty of them here. Alright, got some icons. $39.99 3-piece professional universal joint socket adapter set. Then we got $14.99 4-piece professional socket adapter set. So these are it down here. You got the universals there to the right, and the adapter sets to the left. The 4 set there. So these are pretty nice to have. You guys know what I mean when you guys are working and trying to get to that squeezed bolt or nut, whatever. You got the hex socket set at 8-piece 3/8 drive. I got $24.99 for the 6-piece 3/8 drive professional e-torques socket set. You guys know these e-torques are sometimes you run into these, especially if you got imported vehicles. So yeah, these are, you'll run into those. $16.99 stabilizer gel knee pads. I did not see good quality on these. To tell the truth, I did not feel that they were gel. Maybe when you're leaning against them or something, but I did not feel it with my hands like if it was a gel. You guys know how gel feels like. $29.99 for this 5-amp heavy-duty variable speed orbital jigsaw. Then you got this fluid extractor. It says Holt Industries. $109.99 pneumatic air operated fluid extractor. You got some Apache cases here. You got all kinds of colors. $37.99. So not too bad on those. Very comparable to the Pelicans. $39.99 for the 3-ton heavy duty Daytona ratcheting stands. So you guys know in the past Harbor Freight did have problems with their jack stands, according to what they said. I personally still have some old jack stands for Harbor Freight. I have no problems whatsoever, so I don't know what the big deal was. I guess some people were just having problems with issues with it. $32.99 for this LED light. And then you got this one. This was a solar. This was just a hardwire. $36.99. 2150 lumen. So 2150. You got this simple light here. 215 lumen magnetic pocket light. $4.99. It is a battery operated light or powered light. So yeah. And yeah, the reason why I came to this store is I wanted to buy one of these creepers. Yeah, so $29.99. That's a good price on this. That's the cheapest I could find. I went to AutoZone and a few more stores. They were super expensive. So might as well just try something like this. These are one of the newer, colors that they have out. So just decided to give the blue one a try, see how well it works. Here's a better view of a gray one that was right here. You got some nice cushion there, and it is kind of like the lower profile. I really like the part where you can put your arms very close to the ground, in case you got lowered vehicles and stuff like that. Not like this one. This one it's a little bit higher profile. You guys see. Alright, got the Viking jumper cables. $34.99. It's a 2-gauge, 20 feet, super heavy duty. These are new. You got the 3-ton low profile floor jack. I do have this one. This thing's a beast. $159.99. Definitely recommend any jack from Harbor Freight, especially this Daytonas. They're really nice. I just can't say enough good things about these. They got a whole line, all kinds. They got aluminum, they got racing, they got, bigger heavy duty like these. $29.99 for the quick connect compressor or compression tester. These are for mechanics. So you guys do see there. So they got all kinds of specialty kits as you guys see here. They got the ball bearing puller set or side hammer and bearing puller set. $49.99. Very inexpensive. Like if you do this often, if you're a mechanic and do this often, then you're probably gonna need a set like that. $34.99 for the 1,000 pound capacity motorcycle. Swing arm. That's it right there. Rear stand. And I couldn't get all of it in the picture. $34.99 master oil funnel filling kit. This is very interesting how they make this really nice. This says includes 12 adapters, refill crankcases, everything. Alright, so Merry Christmas, and it's Thursday the 16th. So you got 2 days there. You got a compressor 134. Here's a quiet, I believe, Fortress 299. You got a power strip 16.99. Extension cord 100 feet 64.99. You got a 400 watt peak output Explorer portable power station 249. They don't, Harbor Freight does not manufacture those. They say that's their own brand, or not Harbor Freight brand. It's they just carry those items that are non-Harbor Freight branded items. Got the nice U.S. General boxes there, $4.99. That's a nice one. You got the battery work light there, $14.39, and the $24.99 for the rechargeable lamps there. They got all sorts of stuff. Drop cloth, 13 feet by 10 or 16 feet, $3.49. If you're doing painting, this is a great way to go. You got the 3-ton. These are more inexpensive, so these are less expensive. $119. You guys see here. Still, you're getting the same thing, but without the fancy paints and stuff like that. $19.99 for the 20-piece premium air compressor accessory kit. It's a really nice accessory kit. It's a great brand. Merlin is a great brand. If you're gonna get the central pneumatic there at the bottom, don't get it. Personally, I'm just letting you guys know from my experiences. You got Earthquake XT. This is one of the newer guns out there. It does have a selector there on the back, 1, 2, and 3. So these are aired guns. These are for professionals. $149. It's up to 1,190 foot-pounds. Alright, you got the Vulcan. This is a Vulcan 225 Commander. Alright, this is the Commander 225 stick. So $529 down from $549. So AC/DC welder. It's a stick welder. Alright, you got a roofing nailer, $87.49. This is the clearance section. If you guys don't know what this is, you can try, and if you got a good relationship with your manager at the store, you can try and get these a little even lower price. $77.99 for this chainsaw. Alright, you got some more chainsaws down there. These are even in boxes, and these are new gloves that I saw here too. This is very interesting how they designed the into leather gloves. Some protection for the knuckles. Now that the winter's coming, definitely check it out. $12.99. Protect your hands at all times, your body. So guys, that's it for today. Just a short video. Just want to show you guys what's going on at the Harbor Freights. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.